Hello, Gabriel here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your billing information for your Facebook and Instagram ads. This is super important before you start running any campaigns. Also, make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to be teaching you the best credit cards you can use to get and maximize your bonus points for paid advertisement. So, like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. Payment is super important. What you don't want to do is use, for example, your debit card. You should be using for Facebook ads your credit card because this is a process that you pay maybe once a week, twice a week, and you take advantage from the credit card offers and all the points that you're getting from different companies that I'm going to recommend to you. It's so much better, for example, to have because you have to pay the ads, you have to pay your supplier, you have to pay everything. If you put everything in one single credit card and then pay that credit card at the end of the month, the order of things is so much easier for you. You're gonna have peace of mind whenever you're doing your books, you're doing accounting with your accounting people. So it's so much better if you use credit cards. So how do you do it? You go to Ads Manager, All Tools, and then you go to Billing, okay? And I have the billing. So this is the billing section, and then you go to payment settings, and you will be able to put your credit card information, your business information, and then your threshold. The threshold, you're gonna start to have like $100, $200 threshold. So every time you spend $200, Facebook is gonna charge your credit card, and then it's gonna be the process. At some point, you're gonna be getting so many orders that you need to start raising your threshold so you're not getting notifications every time. So the idea here is that at some point, always when you're a beginner, keep in mind that you have to keep raising that threshold maybe once a day or twice a day if you're doing everything correctly. Then at some point you'll have I think the max threshold is $4,000 a day, but then you can contact a Facebook representative through your panel and they can raise that to a higher amount, okay? So the credit cards I recommend, this is by no shape or form sponsored by any company, but this is what I've seen from great companies. I mean, they do amazing work for bundles and all of that. So what I recommend is Amex. If you have a business registered, that you should if you're doing Shopify dropshipping, I will apply for the American Express Business Gold Card. So they give you US purchases for advertising in select media. So every time you spend $1 in ads, you get 4 times the points. It's so good because at some point, and you have up to $150,000 in points, so you can get a lot of points from your ads. And if you're doing this daily, day by day, just spending money on ads and getting sales, it's a no-brainer to start finding a credit card that helps you and give you the points that you need so you can travel for free if you want, or you can use the points for more ad spend, etc. So this is great, and currently they have a 50,000 point membership rewards when you spend $5,000, which is not a lot of money when you see I'm spending like every day at least $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 on ad spend. And that happens if you have a profitable product and you have a great store, everything is optimized, you can get there super easy. And then let's say that you pass the $150,000 mark from Amex, you can also apply for the Citi card that gives you 2% cash back from everything you spend. And if you don't want to pay this one like for the annual fee, you can also do the Citi reward and you get from the get-go 2%, okay? So these are the 2 cards I recommend for Facebook ads, specifically for dropshipping stores or e-commerce stores, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'm certain this video will help you to set up your billing information and everything you need to get started with Facebook and Instagram ads. So make sure to subscribe, like this video for more insights just like this. Take care.